Our pasta is ready. Now our baby will try it. Baby, let's taste it. First of all, fry onion, then add one tomato and wait until tomato becomes soft. Once it is soft, add spices, salt, turmeric powder and chili powder and mix them well. Then add blanched veggies and boiled macaroni. Give them a good mix. In the end, add sauces, that is chili sauce, soy sauce and white vinegar. Give them a good mix and our dish is ready. Now let's enjoy with our little baby. Our pasta is ready. Now our baby will try it. Baby, let's taste it. ये लो. Yummy? Yes, baby is saying that it's very yummy. मिलती हैं आपसे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. अल्लाह हाफिज. फिर से टेस्ट करो. Yummy? Yes.